Everyone is asking, will AI replace human? But let me ask you something. Can AI feel the pressure before an interview? Can AI inspire people with emotions and vision? Can AI dream of changing future? AI is powerful. AI can generate answers. AI can write codes. In fact, AI can create the content. But human creates idea that can innovate, idea that solves the problem, idea that builds the future. Because technology alone doesn't change the world, people do. It belongs to people who know how to learn, adapt, and use AI. Human versus AI is not the future. Human with AI is the future. At Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management, students don't just learn technology. They learn to think, innovate, and lead the AI-driven world.